Hello everyone, I am here to present a BNE-based smart ID system where we can track the location of a student within the campus and we can also mark their presence when they are present in a particular room. Let me show you the hardware. This is a BNE receiver in room number 1 and here this is MQTT server. Whatever data it receives, it is transmitted to this MQTT server. And this MQTT server, this is an MQTT broker. And right now this is node server which is connected to this MQTT broker and it receives all the data which comes to this computer. Right now let me show you there is already one person who is sitting in other room number 2. So when I search for 1013, he is already present in the room number 2, and when I search for 1017, he is present in room number 1. Now Arya will go to another room and he will show us, we will see that live his location will be changed. Here we can see that 1017 went to room number 2, so his location is changed. Let's search in front end 1017. When we search for it, we can see that his live location is currently in room 02. Now another thing is attendance based system. Right now we can see this is our timetable wave map. Today is Tuesday, and let me set the time to now. I have set the timetable. Now we will see that students' attendance will be marked in room 01 for the physics lecture. We have restarted the server. Right now, only one student who is roll number 1011 is present in room 01. So according to timetable, his attendance will be marked in physics lecture. Now let's see. Here we can see the attendance. If I search for 1011 on today's date, which is 14th. Okay, so we can see that attendance for 1011 for date 13 January is in room 01 at physics lecture. So this way, if a students can sit in a room for more than 20 minutes, so we can mark his attendance automatically. But for the demonstration purpose, we have made it to 3 to 4 seconds only.